Good afternoon, good afternoon. Oh, it's morning, it's morning. I don't know why I'm saying afternoon. Good morning, good morning. So now I'm moving on to 2.3. So this is showing the water problems in Cape Town. This is showing the water problems in Cape Town. We are still under water resources. Water in Cape Town, that is in the province of Western Cape. So let's go through it now. Waiting for day zero, Cape Town. Okay. Cape Town Get Explainer. Why do we know about Cape Town Disaster Management Plan? On Sunday morning, officials gathered at the Disaster Risk Management Center in Goodwood, Cape Town, to brief media on preparations for the day zero. This followed hot on the heels of the launch of the Day Zero campaign. Day Zero campaign in Athlone the previous week. Information is trickling bit by bit. The date, as we know, can shift, but city officials have confirmed that it will kick in when the dam levels hit 13.5%. The member of the Safety and Security said it will take approximately 2 weeks to shut down water system, and similar take a couple of weeks to activate the 2 points and other disaster management system. To those two processes would overlap, although preparations were already underway. It should be noted that day zero is not a day of Cape Town running out of water, but it is a day officials move. It is a day officials move from phase 1 preservation restriction to phase 2. That what the city has termed the disaster restrictions. So you need to have an idea of what the extract is all about. That's all I can say. You see, as I was just reading, I was also highlighting to make sure that we understand or we know what the extract is all about. So let's just go through the extract so that at least we do not waste much time. The first one, name the province that is affected by the water shortage. So obviously this is your Western Cape. This is your Western Cape. Then provide the name of the campaign of water management that was launched in Cape Town. Of course, this is the Defeat Zero. Okay, what is called Defeat Day Zero. Defeat Day Zero. That is the Defeat Day Zero. You can see we have got it here. The Defeat Zero, hashtag Defeat Zero campaign. Okay. According to the article, what is Day Zero? What is Day Zero? It is the day officials move. It is a day the officials move from phase 1 preservation restrictions to phase 2. What the city has termed disaster restriction. So this is your answer here from the extract, okay? Then why does the people illustrated in the article look so desperate? Why do they look so desperate? Okay, that is 2.3.4. Water is a basic need. So water is a basic need. Water is a basic need. That's number 1. They are thinking of day zero. Water insecurity. Water insecurity, that's another one. There are no other sources of water and limited water supply. So you can talk about all that, okay? In a paragraph of approximately 8 lines, provide strategies that the people of Cape Town and municipalities of the region should implement to reduce water shortages. What can we implement to reduce the water shortages? Okay, we can talk about use little water for each task. Okay, do not leave the taps running. Do not leave the taps running. Of course, do not leave the taps running. Of course, before I do that, okay, I forgot something. We are looking at what people can do and what municipalities can do. So let's start with the people, okay? So with the people, we are saying now they should lose little water for each task. They should make sure that they do not leave the tap running. They can take short showers instead of daily baths in a tub. They can run the tap slowly when rinsing any material. They can reduce the flushing water by putting plastic bottle in a cistern. They can collect plastic, glasses, and metal for recycling. That will reduce the amount of wastewater. They can also limit population growth by taking birth control measures. This is what the people can do. This part. What can the municipalities do now? They can increase tariffs, which make residents use less water. Of course, because the more you use, the more you pay as well. So they can end up reducing the use of water. They can mend leaky pipes, desalination in coastal areas. They construct more dams and reservoirs. They can offer training on consumers on water usage. They can also hire skilled operators in water plants. they can recycle water, they can build dams to store water, among other things. That's what they can do. So what you need to do, make sure when it comes to people, you can say 1 point of what people can do, 3 of what the municipality can do. When you can say 2 on what people can do, 2 on the municipality can do, 3 of what the people can do, and 1 on what the municipality can do. So we are saying this because remember it's in 2 parts. What can the people do and what can the municipality do? You cannot write all the points focusing on people and leaving out the municipality, otherwise you won't get all the marks. So you should make sure that you balance, you answer the question that covers what the strategy the people can do and also what strategy the municipalities can do as well. So thank you so much. This takes us to the end of 2.3, which is about water problems.